Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix incorrect password on Instagram. And here's how it is done. If you're having trouble logging in into Instagram, it could be due to various reasons involving your phone, the app, or Instagram servers. I will guide you through steps to resolve this. First, ensure you are using the correct login details, email, phone number, and password. If not, you can reset your password to receive a code for access. If you see an error message like there is a problem with your request or a similar issue, it might be because Instagram servers are down. You can check this by searching is Instagram down in a web browser and visiting a site like Down Detector. If many people report outages, the problem is likely on Instagram's end, and you will just need to wait for a fix. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection by running a speed test. If your connection is weak, try switching between Wi Fi and cellular data. If these steps don't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. On an iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Instagram, and offload the app before reinstalling. On Android, clear the app's cache and reinstall it. Once you reinstall, log in again, and things should be back to normal. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix incorrect password on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.